up, everybody? It is Tasty Lacy. I'm back, y'all. Happy Labor Day. Today is Monday. Whoever had a 3-day weekend, I hope y'all enjoyed it because I had to work. But anyway, today I wanted a Subway sandwich. Subway, yes. So, this is a cold cut trio. I just got the 6-inch on white. Let me take it out of the package. And I also got some leftover chips that I had in the cabinet. And these are the cheddar jalapeno. Jalapeno. So how's everybody doing? And these suckers are hot. Both are good though. Okay, let me say my grace. Amen. Okay, and today I wanted to try the Minute Maid Blue Raspberry. Let me know in the comments if y'all tried this before. I'm dying to try it. It's a flavored fruit drink with other natural flavors. 240 calories. But I'm not counting calories, so I want to taste it. They had other flavors, but this looked good to me. Let me, a little ASMR. It's not bad. I like to try the other ones. I got this at Kroger's. But, yeah. It looks good. Alright, y'all. I'm over here tired, y'all. But this is what I got. Cold cut trio. Take a bite, take a bite. I got lettuce, pickles, mustard, onions, bell peppers. Well, not bell peppers. Well, yeah, bell peppers and banana peppers. Sorry, y'all. And mustard. Mmm. This is good. Banana peppers taste so good on a sandwich. Mm. Mmm. Look at that. I also like their spicy Italian. Now when I get the spicy Italian, I like to put the vinaigrette that they got, and I like to eat that with Dorito chips. I don't know, just something about it. The combination is like, oh. This is gonna be a short video, y'all. I'm getting new tile put in my kitchen and in my bathroom. Hopefully this week, either tomorrow or Thursday. Well, I went out for a walk today. I just walked around here in my neighborhood. Go out while it's still nice. I can't walk when it's hot. I can't do it. No, today wasn't bad. It was a nice breeze. Friday I did the same thing. I went out and walked. I do it before it gets cold. I'm ready to go sleep, y'all. You can see I'm tired. I've been working nonstop. For the people that don't know, the new ones, I work at a hotel. Yesterday we had 30 checkouts. I said to myself, if I make one more bed, I'm gonna scream. Oh my God. I haven't had a day off. I've been working non-stop. I'm finally off tomorrow. So I'm gonna fix me a little cocktail tonight and relax. Probably do a TikToker there, but I'm gonna take me a nap after this. This cheddar jalapeno goes good with the sandwich. I'm dropping chips everywhere. So if y'all haven't tried this, go out and try it. Like I said, I got that at Kroger's. I don't know if it's been out. I don't know. Leave a comment if you tried it. I was hungry. I loved it. I loved it. Woo! Anyway, I will see you hopefully Saturday with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.